Bitcoin is testing a key support level, and if that sounds interesting, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Bitcoin yesterday, we were looking to complete this 4-hour bar formation, but we found some midterm support right here around that $16,000 level. As of right now, we are above the exponential moving averages, so what I am looking for is a clean break above this level of 16,600. The reason why I'm keeping an eye on this level, of course, is because this has acted as a very strong resistance level for Bitcoin overall. You can see that we had multiple tests at this level failing to break above, and now it looks like we are in this consolidation zone. Of course, Bitcoin did test our crucial support here at 15.5 twice, so ideally if we do see a third retest, that would be a massive move to the downside. I was still looking for that liquidity grab like we saw over here around that $17,600 level. That would have been a very nice liquidity grab, and then the continuation. Because of the fact there are a ton of shorting positions at these levels, I would be expecting a short squeeze. Of course, in yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that if this bar formation plays out and we do test this 15.5, things are going to look extremely bad for Bitcoin overall. On the 4-hour, you can see that we actually did find some nice support here and a continuation. And as of right now, the exponential moving averages are also lining up as support for looking like an explosive move on Bitcoin. We could expect a massive wick if we do break above the 16,600. Because of the fact that this has acted as a very crucial resistance level, there are a ton of shorting positions in these levels, so we could be looking for that squeeze that we ideally are looking for. Now, looking at the hourly time frames, I wanted to talk about something. You see that the BART formation was on the hourly. It was a beautiful formation. We saw that clean break to the downside, but we got that liquidity wick right at that $16,000 mark. Does this mean that the BART formation is necessarily over? Not necessarily, right? When you have a BART formation like this, things do become extremely choppy, so we could still be looking for the continuation of the BART to end around that 15.5 level. Of course, this would become invalidated if we did get a clean break around that $17,200 level. Now, of course, looking at the hourly time frames, you can see that we were above these exponential moving averages, using them as support, and now a consolidation zone. This is exactly why I am expecting a nice liquidity grab, because this would not only invalidate the bar formation that we see on the hourly, but as well as we would break above a very key resistance on Bitcoin. If we go over to daily time frames, you can see Bitcoin is testing the exponential moving average over and over, and we are starting to see some more bullish engulfing candles form, right? When Bitcoin had this massive drop, we pretty much broke right up below that $20,700 level. You can see that we haven't seen that sort of manipulation pushing back up other than this bullish engulfing candle, but trying to retest that level has failed pretty much right here, right? We did get a nice test at that 15.5, but failed to break above that level once more. Volume is also starting to die, and the fact that we are in the oversold region, I am expecting a nice wick to the upside. There are way too many people that are bearish on Bitcoin right now, so usually the market tends to do opposite what everyone thinks. Of course, this theory would be invalidated if we did break that 15.5, because then the next daily support is around that 12.3. If we continue using this as consolidation, we could be expecting a nice wick on Bitcoin, possibly going to, like I said, around that $18,000, $17,900 level, because of the fact that it acts as a very key resistance point. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.